Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here today because I have some super exciting news. So I'm not sure if you follow me on Instagram. If you don't, you should definitely check me out because I recently just got accepted into the Wallace Ambassador Program and I could not be more excited. Literally, never thought that would be a possibility as a stay-at-home mom, but I am so stoked that they chose me to help showcase some of their more popular style bags. Today in the mail came my very first shipment as an ambassador. With this program, I will be getting shipments 4 times a year. I get 2 bags in each shipment, and I did take a poll over on Facebook because I wanted to know what you guys wanted to see packed up and see reviews on. So I took the top vote, and that was one of the bags that I chose, and I'm super excited to show you what's in the box. So this is probably the largest box I've ever gotten from Wallace. It did get kind of smashed in the mail, but that's okay. I'm sure that everything inside is just fine. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Got my handy scissors here. I am so excited to show you what is inside this giant bag. Number one, the dust bags are gorgeous themselves. They're super like high quality dust bags. I know that sounds so silly, but they just are. Going to take out the first bag, and this is the one that you all voted for, so I got it for you, and I cannot wait to show it to you and see it myself. Oh my gosh, these colors are literally gorgeous. This is the small Metro Tote Deluxe. This is probably going to be my new favorite bag. I am kind of thinking so. The colors are maroon and dawn. Something that I did not realize was that the hardware on this bag is gold. How perfect is that? How beautiful is that next to this color? Like seriously, so pretty in the contrast of the colors. And of course it has the leather trim handles on the top and on the bottom. This bag does have a lot of pockets. And then it does come with a very large packing case that is also in this gorgeous maroon color. And a crossbody strap, which I just love. I love the hands-free option. As a mom of 2 little boys, hands-free is a must. So now I'm gonna reach in this giant dust bag and pull out the second bag that I got. I am so excited about this one. I think it's gonna be awesome for travel. This is the Crosby backpack. It is in black. It is gorgeous. Okay, so this bag is the perfect size. It is not too big. I don't feel like it's going to feel overpowering on me. And it has this beautiful like leather chain detail for the handle. It does have silver hardware. All the zippers are silver. This bag does have the black leather, Italian leather detailing. This bag also does feature a travel sleeve, so you can slip this backpack on to your rolling luggage, which I love that. I love the idea of being able to pack this up and use it as like a carry-on option. This bag does come with a pouch, which is a lot smaller than the small Metro Tote Deluxe. Like, here is a pouch that comes with the small Metro Tote Deluxe, and here is the pouch that comes with the Crosby Traveler backpack. It's a huge difference. I'm not sure why they are so different in size, but it's super cute. It has the same exposed zipper that matches the bag, which I love. I love how it coordinates with the bag, and I can't wait to get these packed up for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are as excited about these 2 bags as I am. Please be sure to leave in the comments below different ways that you'd love to see these bags packed up to see if they are the right style for you. I will have these 2 bags linked down below in the description for you guys. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you next time. Bye!